London stands with all those around the world as they start to start on the climate crisis.
More than a million people take to the streets of London for London Pride, 50 years since the